probably going to be quite a familiar spot because every time I do something in my bathroom, we're looking at the mirror here. We've got this view. And today what we're doing is dyeing my hair pink. So I got some Manic Panic in the shade Hot Pink, and Hot Pink. And I wanted to do like kind of a bubblegum pink sort of color, but I've been mixing it with a lot of conditioner. I used about like half of the bottle or so, half of the Manic Panic bottle, and I just kept mixing it with conditioner, and it's still really, really, really bright pink. Very bright pink. Very bright pink. So, YOLO, I think I might just do the bright pink and just let it fade out to the bubblegum cotton candy pink, which was my original intent. So yeah, let's just go for a hot pink, why not? Like, this is actually fuchsia magenta. So I kind of wanted to have a pink for Valentine's Day. It is Valentine's Day tomorrow. This video is definitely not going to be watched in time for that. Not going to be uploaded in time for that. But yeah, just wanted a little like fun pink, cute vibes going on. My application is like, I don't know what's happening right now, but oh well. The beautiful thing about Manic Panic and other demi-permanent colors like this, semi-permanent, is that, you know, it's going to wash out pretty much in like 2 or 3 weeks. So it will just fade pretty consistently, you know, every time you wash it. It's kind of like foolproof, kind of risk-free. This is the first time I've dyed my hair since being platinum. So I'm slightly afraid of staining my hair a bit because I would like to go back to the platinum after. We'll see how it goes, and I think I can probably get it back to the platinum relatively easily with some color remover if need be. This pink does have a bit more of a purple undertone, which might help in the staining because like reds tend to stain your hair a lot more. So because this has a cooler toned base, I think I might be a bit safer in that regard, but nevertheless, I'll live with anything. Oh god, there's some hair stuck in my hand. Gloves are not coming off, baby. Okay. I'm like a little troll doll. Oh my god, it looks so neon. It looks pretty cool. This isn't the color that I originally was wanting. I mean, I could have easily changed that myself by adding more conditioner and less of the dye in initially, but this is like kind of cool, and I think I'm just gonna go for it. Pink for Valentine's Day, and yeah, it's gonna pretty much wash out in a few weeks, so there's no harm here. Alright, I'm gonna gonna let this baby sit for about, well, it says minimum 30 minutes. I'll probably leave it on for about 45 or so, and I'll check back in with you tomorrow. All right, my a little bit of cold going on there. My hair is now pink. Oh, I do actually sound quite stuffed up. Please excuse that. Yeah, I really, last night going into it, I didn't expect to be doing hot pink. I thought I was just gonna do cotton candy, but you know what? This is gonna fade in like 2 weeks and it's gonna become cotton candy, so why not be a little bit bold with it? I love it. I think it's super, super fun. It reminds me of this episode in What Not to Wear, probably from like 2009 or something, where this girl received a hot pink makeover at the end of it. And I thought it was a really cool look. I thought that girl was super cool. So I'm digging this pink, I'm digging this hot, hot pink. Even though this was diluted, probably like, it was probably like 2/3 conditioner, it's still a super, super vibrant color. I can't imagine how pink the undiluted formula would be. But yeah, my hair is feeling great, it's feeling nice and soft, maybe because I just basically conditioned it for like 45 minutes. Yeah. Coverage wise, again, I kind of didn't do a good job, but that's okay. Yeah, this is super fun, and I think what I'm gonna do is take pictures throughout the next couple of weeks and show you what it looks like after a couple of times of washing it, and see how it fades out. First thing I thought of was Ramona Flowers from Scott Pilgrim. I was like, wow, this is really giving me Ramona Flowers vibes right now. And then also kind of like Jessie from Team Rocket, potentially. This is a bit more pink. Jessie's is a bit more like reddish. But yeah, if you think of any other comparisons, let me know in the comment box down below. Yeah, so super fun. It is Valentine's Day today. This video is not coming out in time for that. But yeah, let me know what you think down below. If you have any questions or comments, yeah, please let me know, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!